Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a VU meter using an Arduino. We'll go step by step through the wiring and final testing process. Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed. The complete component list, circuit diagram, and code are available in the sekhohub.site. Let's get started. First, connect the Arduino board. Next, add a 2-pin terminal block. Connect one terminal to ground. Now take a 1N4007 diode. Connect the anode to the remaining terminal of the 2-pin block and connect the cathode to the VIN pin of the Arduino. Next, place the CD4049 IC. Connect. Pin 8 to ground. Pin 1 to Arduino. Digital pin D 3 pin 2 to Arduino. Digital pin D 4 pin 3 to Arduino. Digital pin D 5 pins 15 and 16 to the VIN pin of the Arduino. Now we'll begin connecting the LED output sections. Connect a 100 ohm resistor to pin 4 of the IC. Then connect 4 LEDs in series. Connect the anode of the first LED to the remaining end of the resistor and connect the cathode of the last LED to ground. Repeat this same process for the following IC pins. Pin 5 with a 100 ohm resistor and 4 LEDs in series. Pin 6 with a 100 ohm resistor and 4 LEDs in series. Pin 7 with a 100 ohm resistor and 4 LEDs in series. Pin 14 with a 100 ohm resistor and 4 LEDs in series. Pin 13 with a 100 ohm resistor and 4 LEDs in series. Pin 12 with a 100 ohm resistor and 4 LEDs in series. Pin 11 with a 100 ohm resistor and 4 LEDs in series. For each group, the LED anode connects to the resistor output and the final LED cathode connects to ground. Now let's build the audio input section. Connect a 10,000 ohm trimmer potentiometer. Connect the center pin to the A0 pin of the Arduino. Connect one side pin to ground. Next, connect a 2.2 kilo-ohm resistor. Connect one end to the remaining pin of the trimmer potentiometer. Now connect an electret microphone capacitor. Connect its negative terminal to the remaining end of the 2.2 kilo-ohm resistor. Finally, add another 2-pin terminal block. Connect one terminal to ground. Connect the other terminal to the positive terminal of the microphone capacitor. All connections are now complete. Now upload the code to the Arduino and test the project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.